Morning, Jason. My name's Tom. I own WFB Digital Solutions right here, local Kuna, Idaho. I'm just showing you some tips that you can do to help improve your online presence in this video. First thing I want to cover, I didn't notice that you had a website. So that's one thing that if you're wanting to get more leads, more eyes on your business, I would definitely recommend getting a website created. But within that website, I can basically want to use another website to base it off of. So this web company is here in Boise, but it's on the third page of Google. And if you get your own website started, you want to have plenty of keyword-rich content. And what Google uses content, they look for content on your main page. That helps find you when somebody's searching for keywords that are related to your products and services. And it also helps push you up in the local search results. So you don't want Google is looking for a minimum of at least 1,500 words on your front page. So depending on your competition, it might need a little bit more, but that's the rule of thumb, is 1,500 words with relevant keywords that are related to your products and services. So this company here doesn't have a whole lot of content, probably not very many keywords, so they're not ranked very high. Even, like I said, they're on the third page, so they're not getting a lot of eyes on their business. One thing we can look at is your competition is Boise River Fence. They're on the front page, first page of Google. Right when you search for Boise fence contractors in Boise, they're on the front page right here. So look at their business. They also do not have a lot of content on their front page, so that actually helps you in the long run, because if you get your website set up correctly, set up with the good amount of content and keywords, you can easily beat this page out on Google rank. They do have back pages listing all their services, so it's good to also have back pages for your website listing all your services, and also I'd recommend doing location back pages too for having extra content, extra keywords, just to help boost your rank in Google. Google sees all that and ranks you higher for having good amount of back pages, backlinks, and keyword-rich content that's strongly related to your products and services. Another thing I like to go over is backlinks. Now, backlinks are anywhere you find one website linking to another via a clickable hyperlink. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business for seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person that has the most people website points at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevance to your industry and local websites will work best. So even though they have 1.7K backlinks, the strength on their backlinks is pretty low here, as you can see. So with your website, it's best to find, you can even look at other pages' backlinks and see what they're using. You can use their backlinks or use their references for backlinks on your own page, finding and basically, I guess, stealing their references and also finding other references that they're not using. Anything that's credible to your industry is best to have and use for backlinks. Looking at competition, Boise River Fence, they're using 238 keywords here. They have 14.3K backlinks. Their organic traffic is 515, and their value monthly is $509 just from the traffic monthly. So as you can see, they have quite a bit more keywords, a ton more backlinks, and they have way more traffic because they're on the front page. Arrow had 7, and this is their value per month because they're on the third page. So Boise River Fence, definitely, it pays to be on the front page. So definitely want to have good keywords, good content, and good backlinks. 14.3K backlinks. Now they're still pretty low, so honestly it's still easier to beat them out because they have such low quality backlinks. If you get good, strong backlinks, it doesn't matter. Even if you have less than 14.3K, obviously, like I say in backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. It's possible that they have a lot of backlinks that are not related to their industry or just spam or no longer working for them. So it's easily beatable if set up correctly for sure. Last thing I want to go over is citations. And citations are used for when you're Google searching, fence company Boise. First thing that comes up is this map pack. It's called the Google Map Packs. Citations is anywhere your business name and number and address are exactly as per it's inputted in the Google business profile. So citations help you rank in this map pack, in which extremely important to local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. So again, Boise River Fence is right here, number 1 on the map pack, followed by Frontier and Element Fencing. You get enough citations, you can even go onto Boise, figure out what Boise River citations are and steal them for their sites that they use. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, and thousands of others. Even Facebook has its own directory. The idea is that your brand begins to be found on Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So, like I said, you can go on, find all the directories you can local, and just put your business information. So the more citations you have, the more you have over your competition, the higher ranking you'll be on the map pack, and you'll be number 1. So again, once Google sees you more often than the competitors, you'll likely be ranked higher above them. So once your content and backlinks and citations are all put together on your website, definitely start to see that out. You'll start seeing outgrowth of your competition. Like I've shown you before on the traffic, this is page 3 traffic. Not very much traffic here. This is page 1 traffic. Definitely tons more traffic, tons more revenue. Exposure plus, you'll be seen first off. Anytime anybody's looking for a fence contractor in Boise, you'll be the first one to see if you're on the front page. So it's very well helps you out if you have your own website. Facebook does help too, obviously. You have your website here, or Facebook here. Facebook is a very big tool in promoting your business and getting revenue and traffic, but the website, definitely being front page on Google, is going to help you tremendously, bringing in more and more content, leads and revenue. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out, and I'll help you with some more information, and we can talk about your goals, and I can do the research to find out exactly what would be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach your goals. If you like this content, felt it very informational or helpful, feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you. Again, I'm Tom from WFB Digital Solutions. You can reach out to me at 208-402-8268. Again, that's 208-402-8268. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you like this video. Talk to you soon. Thanks.